everybody, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for coming to my line dance channel. Many of you have watched for a long time. If you're new, welcome. But those of you who've been with me for a long time know that Scully was always on camera, and he passed away in January of this year, and it's been kind of rough. And we just got a new one. So I thought I'd introduce him to you. I have no idea if he's ever going to be on camera on a regular basis. I'm introducing him on the first few videos that I'm doing now that we have him. His name is Nash, not a good name, Nash. And right now he's 11 weeks old. We've had him for 2 weeks. So I'm going to put this puppy down. I have no idea what's going to happen. He's probably going to run off, which would be good. And we're going to do this dance called Jive All Night, choreographed by Mark Furnell and Chris Goddard. It is a 32 count beginner dance. It does have one little tag that's super easy, and it's a fun little dance. It has a different kind of beat to it. It's all very solid counts as far as, no, there aren't any syncopations, if you will. Well, there's a couple, I lied, but it's a really easy dance. I was mesmerized by this little puppy. So I'm going to put you down, Nash, and I'm going to go to work. Okay? You're welcome to take Scully's spot anytime. Okay, so I'm going to get started, turn around, and teach you Jive All Night. First thing we're going to do is a Lindy step, perfect for a dance called Jive All Night. A Lindy step is a chassé to the side, step together, step, and then a little rock, recover back, rock, recover, and then we're taking a grapevine with a quarter turn, side, back, turn, and brush. So we made 1/4 turn to 9 o'clock. Here's the first count of 8 with counts. We have 1 and 2, rock, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and brush. Next count of 8, move a little closer. You take that foot and you're going to stomp it down, but as you do so, turn the heels in. So you're going to go stomp, swivel, swivel, hitch, forward, point, forward, point. Now, I always had a tendency when I was practicing this, every time I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, I was so weighted back, it was hard. So make sure that when you lift it, to keep weight over the front of your foot. Don't sit all the way back, and it'll make that easier transition. Okay? So that count of 8 goes, heel in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, Lindy, 7, 8, 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, vine with a quarter turn on 8, stomp 1, 2, 3, up, cross, point, step, point. Third count of 8, jazz square. We're going back to our original wall, so there will be a quarter turn. We're going to end this jazz square with a cross. We're going to go over, back, side, cross, which takes you right into a grapevine, 5, 6, 7 together. Okay, so when you take the cross at the end of that jazz square, it's an easier beginning for that grapevine. Okay, so let's go over that again. Here comes your right foot over, 7, 8, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the top, 6, 7, go, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rush, in, out, in, hitch, point, here's your what is it, a jazz square, and grapevine, 6, 7. Last count of 8, take those heels, we're going to swivel, heels left, toes, heels, toes. So you're back to the center, step forward on your right, 1, that's actually 5, clap on 6, and you're going to turn, put all your weight on your left, that's a quarter pivot, and clap again. So we have, after we have done the grapevine, which went this way, that finished off that 8. The last 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and your right foot is free to take your chassé to the side. Okay? Let's go through it with counts. We'll go 2 waltz. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, go 3 and 4. Vine, 6, 7, 8. We stomp, and 2 and 3. Hitch, 5, 6, jazz square. 1, 2, cross the left foot over to your vine, twist the heels, twist, 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 step, clap. Let's go again. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine. Now we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. At wall 10, there is a little tag. It's after wall 10, so you do the whole thing, right? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you do wall 10, which means you're going to finish with your step, clap, and you do the step, clap again. Okay, so if you do 10 and you're here, bump, 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 you do it again, da, 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 da. So you end up skipping a wall, and then you start here. Cool? That's the whole thing. Okay? Now, the music is long. It's like 4 minutes. I may not do the whole song just because it's pretty easy and 4 minutes is kind of a long time, but we'll see. We'll play it out. And if you're not a subscriber, oh please, I wish you would subscribe and spread the news about this channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and just get started.
Because we jive.
And this has a really
Because we
it's like 40 seconds. And
Because we
the
jive.
song is also really long.
All night long.
So I might shut it off. We'll see.
Because we jive. All night long.
It's 20. That's right.
Because we jive.
Great time. Twist.
All night long.
make a mistake there all the time. What's that all about, huh? Anyway, so I left a couple mistakes in there. Not only just to show you that we all make mistakes, but more importantly is that when you know the dance and you make a mistake, you can just pick it up. And even if you are, you're like, whoa, what do? You just wait until you find the familiar step. I'm familiar enough with the dance that I was still moving and I knew what I did wrong. I knew that I had left this out, right? So it's all good. We're all human, we make mistakes, but best of all, we keep on going and we love to dance. And I'm so happy I get to share that passion with all of you. I appreciate you watching my little channel. Please share it, subscribe. Comments are always welcome. And if you come to Los Angeles, please look me up. I teach at different venues weekly. And if you need the step sheet for this, all my videos, the step sheets are written in the info underneath. And so you can check anything on there that you want to know. So once again, I thank you for coming here. I hope you enjoyed meeting Nash. I will introduce him on my next few videos also, because not everybody watches everything. And I just want him to know that he's here and Scully still lives on in my heart. So thanks for being here. I'll see you on the dance floor.